Good morning. What y'all up to? It's day 2, man. This is Vlomas, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get straight to it. I'm headed to the barber shop. I'm glad y'all up with me. If y'all ain't up with me, I don't really know what to say about it. You know what I'm saying? I don't really know what to say about it, man, because it's Vlomas. Y'all supposed to be on these videos, seeing what's gonna happen throughout the day, and things like that right there. That's something good. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Y'all supposed to be on these videos like, man, what Beelo finna do today? It's Vlomas. These jumps is finna be so unexpected that it ain't even funny. So I ain't gonna tell you nothing. I ain't gonna tell you nothing what's going on. I ain't gonna tell you none of the other stuff. I'm just gonna say we going to the barbershop today, and we in traffic with it. We in the Redbird, fried chicken, whatever kind call it. And yeah. But nonetheless, I'm glad y'all here with me, man. Sure, I'm late. I woke up, man, talking to Memphis Mike, man. Now I'm late. So hopefully somebody's still sitting in the chair like they usually be when I'm on time. And that way it can even out. You know what I'm saying? Hey, what do y'all think about people that y'all be driving, right? Everybody be at a constant pace, but you got this one person that ain't got nowhere to be, and they just driving like that. Like, what y'all feel about that? And then they be in the fast lane, they be in the far left lane, right? Then when you pass them on the right, like it don't be nobody beside them. When you pass them on the right, then they get over behind you. I'm trying to make it make sense. I'm trying to see if I'm like road rage connoisseur or something, because that don't make sense to me. Like, man, get out the way. But that ain't what I'm here about. That ain't what I'm here for. So, I'm finna, like I said, from the edge of the barbershop, I'm finna pull up at the barbershop, and I hit y'all. I pick the camera up, man, when I leave out. Y'all see your boy looking bad, man. Boy looking bad, dog. It's all good though. I'm about to fix that. So we go ahead and do that. I'll be right back. Your boy back in the game, dog. Yeah, boy. Back in the game. Back in the game. I'm finna leave this barbershop. Head back to the crib. See what's on see what we about to get popping for the dizzy. You feel me? Alright, man, I'm so ready to, man, get back to playing in traffic, man. I need that. You know what I'm saying? Cause that was fun. It was fun. I just missed this year though. This past something. It's all good. I need to be back in traffic though. I need to be back in that stride. When I come back though, y'all about to see it. Y'all about to see it. When I come back though, man, it's gonna be a whole different, man, I'm talking about, boy, y'all finna be like, man, this nigga here is not playing. I'm not finna play this second time around. Is this a second? Yeah, it's 2.0. Yeah, I ain't gonna play. I ain't gonna play at all. I'm ready to get down. I'm talking about both feet. King of spuds. Man, I'm gonna be a spud. I've been saying I was gonna go to that little spot, man. I ain't went yet. I don't know if they got it finished, but they did some nice little remodeling on their house. Thought I was tripping. Oh boy. Yeah, man. Need to go home. Guess I'm just go home and look at MayRose, man, just to see what I've been missing. I need to call Jazz. That's what I need to do. That's what I need to do. Hold on right quick. Yeah, so I told y'all, man, you know, telling what y'all might see with this Vlomas going on. I'm telling what y'all might see, man, with the channel. I told y'all what y'all probably could expect, right? So getting this thing in motion. Got the Honda off the ground. About to snatch the transmission out of here. Y'all know I was gonna do it myself. I thought about it. Had the lift tied up, so I couldn't get to it the way I wanted to, and I need this junk to get moved. So, man, I called a few guys, and they was talking, but they wasn't moving. So, man, I got recommended to a guy, man. Well, actually, this has been probably about a month ago. No, probably about a couple weeks ago. Got recommended to a guy, and I was like, man, I'm gonna go and try to do it myself. But when the lift got really tired, when the stuff didn't go how I was planning on doing it, I was like, man, let me go ahead and call him so I can go and get this move. I need this move. Called him yesterday evening. This morning he in my driveway with the car off the ground. He damn near already almost at the transmission, to be honest. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna interrupt him too much. My guy Dalton, and we'll put out his number and stuff down in the description, man. I don't know. Pretty much, well, we'll rap with him, you know what I'm saying, once he get you know what I'm saying, what he got going on. But he sent me a list of the things he do, man. Pretty extensive list. So, and he said, whatever ain't on the list, just ask. You know what I'm saying? Mike can accommodate you. So, we about to see what's going on. He came straight over here, got straight to the business. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm about to run off for a second. But, yeah, he moving and grooving. Probably gonna need some more stuff done to it too. Probably when we get up in there. Probably find some more stuff that need to get done, but this right here the main thing that needs to get done. Like this transmission need to go in here so this car can move, cause I can't just have it just sitting right here like this and it ain't mobile. Plus Ashton need to be moving around in his own car anyway. So yeah, man, let me I need to go handle my business, and then I'm gonna come back, see what dog in there, man. We're gonna rap with him, you know what I'm saying, so y'all can get his number and all that right there and go from there. Hey man, look, well, I ain't gotta worry about y'all. I ain't even gotta say that. Like, don't be calling this man with these dumb ass questions, cause you know what I'm saying, like, don't do that. But I already know that ain't what go on this side, so we all good. But he in the Memphis area. You just be around Memphis with it, or?
No, I've been got a house in Nashville too.
Okay, so he Memphis and Nashville. If somebody call like Arkansas, Mississippi, yeah. So Arkansas, some parts of Arkansas, close to the Mid-South area, man, and Nashville. So yeah, I'm gonna put the number down here in the description, man. You know what I'm saying? And matter of fact, I'm gonna probably insert a video of the text message that he sent me of the extensive things that he do. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let me go handle what I gotta handle, man, so I can get back. And yeah, I need to clean. I ain't got nothing to clean this what's called off with. I shouldn't have did it with my hand, cause I know that probably made it worse. Hold on. Yeah, I had to go to the shop, man. Grab me some cigar. I got me a new stick, man. It's called Insidious. Y'all know I like them knuckle busters. I seen the nub, but I ain't get that. But I got this Chow Brasilia, and I got this knuckle buster from Punch. And it's Insidious by Asylum. Yeah. Go ahead and had to go ahead and grab me something, man. And I had to get me some more butane, man, because my bag in the driveway, because I'm gonna sit on this old trunk, man. But I had to give me some more butane, man, because I think my lighters is low. Shit, I think all my lighters low. So grab me some more of that real quick. And he is I think he's to the point to where he's almost got the transmission down.
You got like $33 on you right quick, so I go get this rental tool.
Let me holler it, hold on.
Now what's that, cigar?
Yeah.
That's a big ass cigar, bro. Damn. That's like, that ain't no case in there, that's a whole cigar.
Nah, there's 3 cigars in there.
Damn. I know them motherfuckers about $40 piece.
Hell no.
More than that?
Nah, I won't play like that. That's too much. That's too damn much.
You be smoking this, bro?
Hey, I'm gonna smoke one of them motherfuckers now.
You don't inhale it,
Nah, hell no. Hell no.
I heard y'all supposed to inhale it. You just
Nah.
taste
Yeah,
it.
they just jaw smoke, yeah. They just jaw smoke. Hold on. Yeah, I can't even see it now. Yeah, there you go. But say you got like a few more boats, 2-3 more boats, and that should drop down. He got everything supported so that the motor won't drop down. It's been about 3 hours, 4 hours maybe. He had to go run and get a tool real quick. A running tool he had to get something for. And so he'll be back and ready to rock and roll. So yeah. Keep y'all updated, man. Yeah, man, we on this second day of Vlomas, man. We getting things done. Getting things done, man. And I'm on it already. And he doing this with no power tools. If he had power tools, he probably be done. Or close to done. Yes, sir. Y'all know how I go. Get Ashton running so he can be out here in traffic doing his thing. Yeah. Yep. And it's still going on. Meanwhile, on the inside of things like that, we got transmission shenanigans going on outdoors. And we got a big Christmas tree going on indoors. 2 times.
2 times.
He said 2 times. Ooh, you heard it. See?
One more thing.
Got the Christmas tree going up. I don't know what the kids got going on.
Phone right there.
Where?
Give on your phone right there on I gotta flip that out there. Give my phone, I ain't say start.
Hold on.